Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 lines essay on Republic Day. First line is Republic Day is an important day for India. Second line is we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. Third line is our country became a republic on this day. Fourth line is a republic means people choose their leaders. Fifth line is on this day, India got its constitution. Sixth line is the constitution is the rule book of India. Seventh line is the constitution gives us equal rights. Eighth line is it teaches us to be fair and kind. Ninth line is Republic Day reminds us to love our country. Tenth line is we are proud to be Indians.